Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Indian food. To begin, let's explore the fundamental elements that make Indian cuisine so unique and delicious. We'll cover essential spices, understanding their individual roles, and how they combine to create complex flavors. You'll also learn about key cooking techniques, like tempering, which is crucial for unlocking aromatic potential. We'll focus on common ingredients that form the backbone of many beloved dishes, setting a strong foundation for your culinary journey. Next, let's dive into the heart of Indian cooking, its incredible array of spices and aromatics. We'll distinguish between whole spices, such as cumin seeds and cardamom pods, and ground spices like turmeric and coriander powder. Understanding their distinct uses is key. You'll also learn how to properly prepare and incorporate fresh aromatics, including ginger, garlic, and onions, which provide a fragrant base for almost every dish, elevating its overall taste. Now, let's master the art of tempering, often called tadka or chonk, a cornerstone technique in Indian cooking. This involves heating a small amount of oil or ghee, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then quickly frying whole spices until they become fragrant. This process releases their essential oils and infuses the fat with incredible flavor. You'll discover how this simple step, added at the beginning or end, dramatically enhances the aroma and depth of your dishes. Finally, let's bring all these elements together to build a truly flavorful Indian curry. Start by creating a rich base using your tempered spices, followed by aromatics and a paste of ground spices. Then, incorporate ingredients like pureed tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of yogurt, or 1/2 cup of coconut milk to achieve the desired consistency and tang. Remember to taste and adjust the spice levels, perhaps adding a pinch more chili powder or a squeeze of lime to perfectly suit your palate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.